Numero uno, wow.
Hey, boss.
Just
I
in
wish I
time.
had time to come out. Look at that.
Got one door panel on.
Wow.
Just got to finish screwing it down. And
Oh.
yeah, I mean, we're real close on the interior. All I got to
Wow.
do is set the carpet, get the heater box in there, and we'll be ready
How
for the
nice
dash.
is that? Boy, Larry did a good job on that headliner. That is nice. Got your garnish moldings in. This is a no rear speaker car, so it got the blank.
Yep. Yeah, we're all ready for the
Quarter
back
trim
glass.
panels look good. Legendary seats look awesome. He's really been moving along well, really well on the car. It's farther along than I thought that it was. What an epic, 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 epic moment for Graveyard Cars.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, no, it's cool.
Good job, buddy.
Thanks. Oh, we just got our dash in from Instrument Specialties for our 71 Phantom Cuda. Oh, look at that, huh? And it's a non-rally. Everybody's so used to a rally dash. If you kind of flip it that way, you can kind of see a non-rally. It's got the big speedometer and all the other smaller gauges when the rally dash, you know, has the wood grain and all the individual gauges on there. So that's pretty cool to see a non-rally with a 446 barrel car. So.
Well, there you go.
How's it look?
Looks great.
Back in the booth, Will paints the iconic 71 Cuda grill.
We got our grills still to put on, bumper obviously, and the lower voyants. Got all our parking lights installed and everything, and
happening,
lo and
Dave.
behold, there's the cherry on top of the sundae right there.
Well, I don't know about a cherry.
These go in from the inside, out this way. Let's check it out.
With the grill inserts in place, Will heads back to the body shop, while Alyssa joins Dave to assist him in the installation of the Cuda's grill, front bumper, and valance.
That, my friends, is the Holy Grail. Look at this. This is the wheel off of that car. But I think that I think it should be on the car. I think we should present it with the car. And then if they want one that's done, I've got new ones in stock.
Can I see that wheel?
Yeah, here you go, buddy.
Nice.
Look at that, huh?
Nice.
After the steering wheel's ceremonious return, Royal moves the Cuda onto the rack for alignment. With the front glass in place, Dave details and installs the final metal trim pieces. Finally, the Cuda is detailed, stickers and warning labels are applied, and even replica Plymouth insert cards are placed in the car, completing the illusion of a car that just rolled off the assembly line in 1971.